In today's video, I'm going to show you Mimo app review. Can it really teach you to code? Mimo is a legitimate and well-reviewed coding education app that's especially popular for beginners. Across app stores, it consistently gets high ratings around 4.7, 4.8 stars on Trustpilot, and many users praise its bite-sized, interactive lessons and gamified approach that breaks concepts into tiny, mobile-friendly chunks. Reviewers say it helps beginners grasp fundamentals like HTML, CSS, Python, and SQL in digestible steps. And beginners often feel more confident about the basics after using it, even fitting coding practice into short daily bursts. That said, the app has real limitations. Many reviewers note that free content is quite limited, and you need a subscription to unlock full lessons, projects, and deeper exercises. Subscription costs can add up, and some users find advanced topics shallow compared with more comprehensive courses. Others point out occasional bugs or repetitive questions, and some find the hands-on coding exercises lack real-world depth. You might feel prepared for basics, but not truly job-ready without supplementary learning. Community discussions reinforce this. Mimo is often described as a good starter tool, but not something you can rely on exclusively. If you want a strong programming foundation, most people recommend supplementing it with desktop-based tutorials, books, or project-based practice for deeper mastery. In short, Mimo is worth downloading if you're a beginner who wants to learn coding basics in an approachable, gamified way. It's genuine, user-friendly, and effective at getting you started. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.